Good afternoon from the 14th IRENA Assembly here in Abu Dhabi. It's been 2.5 years since the first major event I attended with the Small Island Developing States, COP26 in Glasgow, and I learn more and more each time, and I'm developing this better understanding of the challenges that they face in transitioning to low carbon economies. Ministers here from the small islands have clearly outlined the urgent challenges they face in transitioning to renewable energy. Despite setting ambitious climate targets, there's a significant gap when it comes to real-world implementation. For example, Minister of Energy for Barbados, the Honourable Lisa Cummings, has pointed out a major hurdle. That's when 100% of your baseload fuels are imported. That drastically slows your shift to renewable energy. That heavy financial burden of imported fuels is a real theme across all Caribbean nations. Island ministers are calling for a drastic increase in global ambition and swift action. They're advocating for reducing dependence on costly imported fuels to speed up the transition to renewables, and their message is really a forceful call for greater commitment and concrete steps towards achieving net zero emissions are much faster than with current global targets. We're pleased as well to hear about ocean energy and OTEC on the agenda in the SIDS ministerial meeting yesterday, and I've enjoyed my conversations with the IRENA team about what are the next kind of concrete steps towards supporting SIDS that want to further explore these technologies. Thanks for watching.